big black cloud right over the top of us. It's clear, like, out in the distance, but right over the top of us is a big black cloud, which we needed it. It hasn't rained in a while, and my fern and my butterfly bush and stuff needed to be watered anyway, but oh, poor people on motorcycle. There's no thunder or lightning, but it just started raining. I just heard, I was sitting at the school and I heard drop, drop, thump, thump, and then all of a sudden, woo! No, we texted each other. I sent her a birthday card because her birthday's Wednesday. And it's Wednesday. It's the 6th. It's raining so hard I can't hardly. Wow. Oh, did he? Tell him hello, and we miss him, and we miss you all. Hello, we miss you guys. You're gonna make me cry. Raining pretty hard right now, but yeah, we haven't had any in a few, like maybe, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 days. And usually, you know, we were getting slammed like every other day. It would start raining. Yeah. Not humid or nothing? It's not humid there?
Yeah.
Oh, it is humid there?
Oh, yes, but it's not so bad.
No?
Not right now. It's been I think it's been nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, not like summer.
Not like here. Here you can't even, I mean, we went to like South Carolina, right over across the river, and what a difference, you know, such a difference between the weather there and here. The humidity, I mean, crazy.
So that is more like in England.
The what? I don't know if it's just, and it's like, it'll be raining over there, but not raining here, or raining here and not there, and it's just, it's weird.
Yeah.
It's just weird. Alabama, same. I don't remember being this humid there like it is here. But I don't know. I mean,
when we were in Georgia, I don't think it was that humid.
Yeah. Well, it's not so bad by the coast either. Maybe that's why, because my stepmom lives pretty close to, you know, the coast. But it's man, we went to Charleston. We drove through Charleston. So pretty. What a pretty little town. Just so, you know, historical and just really a sweet little town. I was having pictures. Savannah, yeah. My
That was very nice.
daughter-in-law really loves Savannah. It is really pretty there. It's really
Yeah.
it's
Is
really
that
pretty.
the place where
Forrest Gump.
yeah, but the couple who was with us,